Good morning, friends. It is a pleasure for me to address all of you on a product of the Life Insurance Corporation of India, which is also associated with you all also. And with me, I am having our marketing manager, Delhi DO1, and Life Insurance Corporation of India have extended the responsibility to share with you a product of health insurance. And I will be giving you something feedbacks about the product and the details of the product. And before that, I just want to share with you what LIC is actually. In fact, LIC is known to all of us and all of you also very well. But just a brief details of LIC. It was incorporated on 1/9/1956 through the Life Insurance Act. In fact, prior to that, there were a lot of private companies which were all merged and made a national organization, Life Insurance Corporation of India, and government gave a capital life fund of 5 crore. And the basic purpose of the insurance, the nationalization of the insurance industry was to spread the insurance across the nook and corner of the country and to use the people's money for the welfare of the nation. And this is what LIC has happened. Last year, the synopsis of LIC as on 31st March 2011, we had 38.38 crores of policies as against the total Indian population of around 120 crores. And the total income last year was 2,99,272 crores. Huge organization. And the payments which we made last year was 1,12,346 crores. And the total book assets life fund which we were having as on 31st March was 11,51,200 crores. And total assets was 13,17,416 crores. And our contribution to the different 5-year plans, starting from the second one, it was 134 crores. And as on the 11th 5-year plan, which is ongoing at the moment, it will end in 2012. We have already contributed 5,28,390 crores. We have already given in the 6th 5-year plan, 11th 5-year plan to the corporation, to the government. And claim performance, if we talk of, we have settled 183 claims, amounting to 52,160 crores. In fact, we settle in almost 2 seconds, we settle one claim in one of the offices of our country. And awards, a series of awards which are given to the corporation. In 2010-11, CNBC Award, Consumer Award for Most Preferred Life Insurance and Life Insurer, and lots of awards, NDTV Award, Reader Digest Award, lots of awards are given to the organization for the performance which we do year after year. And lot of products are there. There are 53 products of our company in market. The most relevant one which we are going to talk of today is the health plans. Then why health insurance? Just in concept of it, because lifestyle is changing, food habits are changing, pollution is there, stress, BP, sugar, stroke, lot of diseases are there which you know more why they are there than we know. Okay? Do you know what? This is the world capital in CVD. Now, why health insurance? Because rapidly aging population is also going. India's average age is growing every year by year. And by 2025, it is expected that around 16% of the people will be above 16 years. And the cost of hospitalization and medical treatment is also rapidly growing. For hospital class, say for heart disease, hospital class A, in 2004 the cost was around 2 lakhs, and in 2011 it has gone to 4.5 lakhs. So it is very difficult for a person to meet out these costs, and that is why health insurance is required. And the hospitalized Indians spend on average 58% of the total annual expenditure. जो हॉस्पिटलाइज होते हैं पेशेंट्स उनका अराउंड 58% एनुअल एक्सपेंडिचर का हॉस्पिटल में जाता है. And over 40% of hospitalization Indians borrow heavily or sell assets to cover expenses. We have to borrow, we have to take loans. There is a provision of medical loan also through the banks. So people take loan and then get themselves treated. And then this is a very serious issue for the country as a whole. Because if you take loan, then you have to pay interest also for the treatment which you are giving. And over 25% of hospitalization Indians fall below the poverty line because of hospital expenses. And medical inflation is growing at the rate of 15 to 20% every year. Cost of medical treatment. So how to make the provision for this and for yourself and for the family? This is the issue. So, आपके health insurance का स्वास्थ्य कैसा है? Do you really insure? Does it guarantee risk cover at any kind of major operations, hospitalization, etc.? And treatment is required when the people is above 60 years of age. Major surgeries, major treatment, major cost of treatment is mostly for the people above 50 and mostly for 60 and above. And as we see that the age, average life age of an healthy individual is about 80 years. So 20 साल आगे के 20 साल के लिए उसके पास में ट्रीटमेंट के लिए पैसा है कि नहीं है? That is the most important issue. And for that we have a product which is called Jeevan Arogya. It is comprehensive, transparent, convenient and definite. And this plan has been awarded the Golden Peacock Award under the health insurance category this year. And this award was given only yesterday. It will be on the air on NDTV and different channels tomorrow or maybe today. So this product, a Golden Peacock Award, is an award which is given for products compared across the world. And in that category, across the world, while talking of the products across the world in the health insurance category, this Jeevan Arogya product has been awarded the Golden Peacock Award. So what is this product is actually? It covers the entire family in one single policy, including self, spouse, children, parents and parents-in-laws also. Because the recent tax provisions also allow parent-in-laws to be included into the insurance cover, health insurance cover bracket. So risk coverage, basically there are two types of expenses which are required in the hospital. One is for hospitalization and another is for surgeries. So there are 140 major surgeries which are covered in this present product. 140 different surgeries of daycare procedures are covered in daycare procedures, and small surgeries are covered in other surgical benefits, rest of the surgeries. And the most important feature of this product is full claim even if nil expenses are there. Now what do I mean by nil expenses? Nil expenses means that if you are covered, if you are going into an hospital which is a government hospital or a charitable trust hospital where nothing is charged from you and you are treated for a bypass surgery, then in fact you have done no expenses. And in charitable hospitals for certain people the treatment is done free of cost, certain category of people. So even those people can claim Mediclaim benefit or a health insurance benefit from this product, where you are not incurring any expenses at all. Now how does this happen? Another increasing feature is the increasing health cover every year. So I am just going to the details of the product now. That what you have to do is you have to choose a hospital cash benefit firstly from the 4 categories, which is 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 and 4,000 per day. So this will be the basic criteria on which your risk cover will be decided. And this hospital cash benefit keeps on increasing 5% per year for 10 years without paying extra premium. And no claim benefits, 5% is added after every 3 years in addition to guaranteed increase of 5%. So 5% of the hospital cash benefit which you choose initially, it keeps on added every year. It increases by 5% every year. And after every 3 years, another 5% is added at no claim. If there is no claim between those 3 years, then no claim bonus is also added in the hospital cash benefit. So all the types of claims are calculated on such enhanced hospital cash benefit that will depend on the term of the policy which has expired. Suppose if you take a policy for 15 years or 25 years, 30 years, it will be decided on the basis of your present age and the 65 years as the age of maturity. Then that difference will be the term of the policy. If the term of the policy keeps on increasing, then what happens? Your hospital cash benefit value also keeps on increasing by 5% every year, and then after 3 years at 5% more. and then the entire claim procedures will be decided on the enhanced hospital cash benefit. Now, multiple claim for one treatment. This is another unique feature of this product, because this is a health insurance product. It is not like a Mediclaim where you have to submit the claim on the basis of the original papers and you get the reimbursement as per different categories. This is a health insurance product which will be decided on the hospital cash benefit which you are choosing, pre-decided benefits for which you will pay a certain premium, and because these are pre-decided benefits irrespective of the cost of treatment. So even if the cost of treatment is less, you will get it, you will get the benefit from this Jeevan Arogya policy. And even if you are claiming this cost of treatment from the government or from the another Mediclaim policy which you are having, that benefit you can get claim from there, and even the amount which you have been insured for in this Jeevan Arogya policy, that you will get extra. In fact, this unique feature adds on to the benefit in the sense that once you take a Mediclaim from a Mediclaim policy, once you take the claim from a Mediclaim policy and the limit is exhausted, for all types of major surgeries, a lot of cost is involved in post-treatment, post-operational treatment, and that post-operational treatment can be meted out with this product. For settling the claim, what we require is the photocopies of the hospital bill and the discharge summary, attested by the hospital and doctor. So any doctor who is associated with a hospital, he will photocopy of that discharge summary and hospital bills will be certified by the doctor. Original, of course, you have to pay to the government. If you are a government employee, original you have to give there, or if you have a Mediclaim policy, original you have to give to the Mediclaim providing general insurance company. But for claiming this claim in Jeevan Arogya, you need not require the original bills at all. You require only the photocopies. And over and above, because Life Insurance Corporation of India is basically a life insurance company, also providing health insurance. So over and above this health insurance, we also provide life insurance also in this particular policy, which is taken as a term rider optionally. This life cover will be equal to the health cover you opt. Now income tax benefits in this policy will be under section 80D. Up to rupees 15,000 for self, spouse and children, and additional rebate up to rupees 20,000 for parents of 60 years and above, and 15,000 for parents below 60 years. So you can get your parents also insured under the same policy. Sir, ठीक, तो मैं इसको राउंड में जाता हूँ. Now major surgeries which are covered, 140 major surgeries which are covered. Maximum annual limit will be 100 times of increased SCB, and lifetime benefits per member will be 800 times of the SCB. Then day care procedures mein another 140 surgeries are covered, which will increase 5 times of increased SCB. Maximum annual limit 3 and total 24. And other surgical benefits 2 times of SCB, 15 days in 1 year and 45 days thereafter. Total 360 days in a year. Now what I want to show is, I will show you a presentation. So for a 1 lakh cover, from first year to 12th year, the total cover of Mediclaim is 1,09,000 in the first year, and in the 12th year it increases to 5,10,000 without increase in any premium. And for a male of age 35 years, for a insurance cover of 4 lakhs, basic insurance cover, daily expenses are 22 rupees 50 paisa. Very nominal. Because the time is short, I will switch to certain slides. Sir.
Thank you very much. It is indeed a very good product, Jeevan Arogya from Life Insurance Corporation. Health insurance is definitely a great help in Medicare, and I think LIC has done come out a very beautiful product, Jeevan Arogya. So thank you LIC for giving this very beautiful presentation.